There's no doubt when it comes to outdoor timber furniture, you definitely have to keep the maintenance up. And our maintenance normally means repainting or recoating. Now, in this case, this old table here, it's showing signs of a bit of wear and tear. It's got a little bit of paint on it and all the rest of it. So we're going to need to give it a sand back before we can recoat it. Now, when you are doing a sanding job like this, it's really, really important to make sure that you've got your safety taken care of. Now, I know we keep banging on about this, but you'll be amazed, even in a little job like this one, how much of this sort of dust particles you can be breathing in. And it's just so simple to just put a mask on, and then that way you don't have to worry about it. Another thing to consider as well, the specs. Now, these ones have got a little bit of a tint on them because I'm working outside. That way, I can just get the job done, so I never have to worry about a thing.